With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, they have given us a statement. Archaebacteria that flourish in temperature above 100 degrees Celsius have special dash molecules that do not coagulate at high temperature and they remain functional. Now we all know that archaebacteria are a group in our living world which are known to survive in the harshest of habitats, and this includes places where the temperature is extremely high, such as the geothermal vents and hot springs. So what is it about these archaebacteria that enables them to survive in these harsh habitats? We see that not only archaebacteria, if in general we talk about all the living organisms that are occupying an ecosystem, that are constituting the biotic community of an ecosystem, we are going to see that they have to interact not only among themselves, not only with the living organisms, but also with many abiotic components of the ecosystem, such as the temperature. Then we have factors such as sunlight, water, and soil. So basically these are the four main factors, these are the four main abiotic factors which are able to affect the living organisms. And out of these, temperature is of very high importance because it has a direct effect on the living organisms, as it can control the kinetics of enzymes. So enzymes need some optimum conditions, some optimum pH and optimum temperature to function properly. And by affecting the kinetics of these enzymes on which living organisms are dependent, the temperature becomes a factor which has a direct effect on all the metabolic activities and the entire physiology of the living organism. So how is it that these archaebacteria are able to survive in such high temperatures above 100 degrees Celsius? Obviously, this is possible because they must have some enzymes which are able to function even at the high temperature. That is, they must have the thermostable enzymes which do not coagulate, or we can say which do not get denatured at these high temperatures. But if we look at our options, none of the options says enzymes. So over here, we have to select our correct answer as option C, protein, because most of the enzymes, that is, the molecules which act as catalysts in the biological systems or in the body of living organisms, their nature, if we talk about their chemical nature, it is proteinaceous. So, how temperature influences the living organisms? By controlling the kinetics of enzymes and having a direct effect on metabolism and physiology of the organisms. And how can an organism survive in a very high temperature? If they have thermostable enzymes that are not going to get denatured at the high temperature. So, which molecule has to be special if organism has to survive in very high temperature or very extreme temperature? They need the thermostable enzymes for this, and since the chemical nature of almost all enzymes is proteinaceous, over here we are going to mark our correct answer as option C, proteins.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.